Now I got this sucker on a self-burping system here. This is just a one of them big wine jugs. A plastic bag with all the air squeezed out of it. Rubber band right here. And some hot water. It's already fizzing up, look. See that fizz? It's only not even 2 days. It's already all fizzed up. So now I got it on a self-burping system. Got some hot water in here to keep it warm. Change out the water, you know, every couple hours or so. This bag starts blowing up, getting filled with the gases. Blows up too tight. This rubber band will just loosen up automatically just to let enough air out, and that's it. Just let it rock and roll. The rate it's going, it's gonna be ready like in a day or two, but I'm gonna add more sugar and make it stronger.